welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video and this is the part 2 of the Christmas DIYs. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So to make this Christmas tree garland, you will need a chart paper of radius 13 centimeter. Fold it into half and follow the steps that I am doing. Now fold it again and make a square shape and then fold it into triangle. I know this is a little bit difficult to understand, but watch again and you will get it. Once you get this, just cut the extra part. Now make small cuts with the help of scissor. Make sure you do not cut it till the fold. Now fold the paper from where you have given a cut so that you will get a tree shape. Make sure to cut it in one direction only. And your tree is ready. Now I have made 12 pieces like this and then with the help of hot glue gun I have sticked it to the wool. Hang it to the wall and your beautiful tree garland is ready. So to make this most beautiful and minimalist Christmas wreath, you will need a wooden embroidery ring which I have painted white and some artificial plants and ornaments. Now all you have to do is stick it to the ring with the help of hot glue gun or any strong glue. You can even use the wires that we use to make artificial flowers. Arrange them in whatever way you want and start sticking. That's all you have to do for this DIY. To make these paper snowflakes, all you need is chart paper of three different sizes. Now with the help of white glue, stick the ends of all the paper. Stick the bigger pieces with the help of hot glue gun in the shape of a flower. Now add the smaller pieces in between all of them. Now once you are done, apply white glue over the top part of the snowflake. And then sprinkle some silver glitter over it. Tie a wool to it so that you can hang it. So that was it for this video, guys. I hope you liked at least one DIY from both the parts. So you guys know the drill. Just subscribe to my channel. Press on the bell notification and like, share and comment to my channel. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye.